The White House swiftly moves to aid Americans who are reeling from the effects of the coronavirus pandemic by working closely with the former presidential candidate and his policies. One America's Tali Letoi has that report.
We're going big. The expression, we could do it two ways. We could keep going back every day or every week. We're going big.
President Trump doubles down on his support to help Americans gravely impacted by the coronavirus pandemic. The Trump administration announced it was looking at sending checks to Americans sooner rather than later to curb the economic costs of the outbreak.
Although the president likes the idea of the payroll tax holiday, I will tell you what we've heard from many people, and the president has said we can consider this. The payroll tax holiday would get people money over the next 6 to 8 months. We're looking at sending checks to Americans immediately.
But the move strikes a similar tune thousands of Americans heard along the Democrat campaign trail, traced back to former presidential candidate and tech entrepreneur Andrew Yang, who built his campaign around the idea of universal basic income. Yang's UBI proposal, dubbed the Freedom Dividend, said that Americans should receive $1,000 each month from the government, with no strings attached. The former candidate's claim for the program was the only way to protect millions of Americans and the U.S. economy from looming fiscal tragedy. Yet now his aggressive calls for the nationwide UBI program seems to resonate with a number of officials.
And what we've heard from hardworking Americans, many companies have now shut down, whether it's bars or restaurants. Americans need cash now, and the president wants to get cash now.
During his failed 2020 bid for the White House, Yang's unique policy platform was not welcome in its initial introduction, with many in the political world condemning it as another radical idea among the other progressive attempts. But in the face of the COVID-19 pandemic, it's all hands on deck as a contagious virus has shut down schools, businesses, and public places in an effort to halt further spread.
We don't want, with this invisible enemy, we don't want airlines going out of business. We don't want people losing their jobs or not having money to live when they were doing very well just 4 weeks ago. So we're going big, and that's the way it'll be.
Meantime, Yang says he's been in touch with the White House and praised the administration for adopting the vision to ensure Americans can survive the economic downturn. He added that he and his team are eager to offer support to make sure this process runs as smoothly as possible. Officials say they aim to create a plan within 2 weeks. Tali Letoi, One America News.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One America News on YouTube, and call your cable provider and kindly demand that One America News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.